Hello everyone, today we are unboxing a 13 scale XD580 hydraulic metal loader, weighing Blackjack 6GG. It is made from various metal materials, such as stainless steel, zinc alloy, and iron to ensure the model's durability and high strength. Loader guardrails need to be installed by yourself, as well as spare parts such as O-rings. Include a hydraulic oil injection syringe. Using a syringe when adding hydraulic oil can prevent spills. Need to order 3S-XD60 connector, 5200 mAh lithium battery by yourself. The XD580 loader uses a powerful gear pump, a self-developed brushless pump that is compact, has high pressure, low temperature, and low power consumption hydraulic system. It provides excellent power and efficiency, allowing for the quick completion of various heavy-duty tasks. The brushless power system features high and low speed modes, providing strong power while ensuring more flexible and smooth operation. The loader is equipped with a manual quick change system for easily swapping various attachments. The front shovel is made of metal and is very hard. The tires are made of rubber, highly durable and providing strong grip. On the side of the fuel tank, there is also a simulated climbing ladder, restoring details. The ladder can be pulled slightly for climbing. Here we can see the hydraulic oil intake amount. Tow hook can be installed by yourself. The loader's rear details are highly restored. You can customize or install a smoke module yourself. Simulated metal ladder. The plastic cabin provides good visibility and a comfortable operating view. All doors can be manually opened. The lighting system features multiple modes, with more functions waiting for everyone to explore. The steering system has strong torque. Sound system switch. The sound system enhances visual and auditory experience, making the operation more realistic. XD580 loader has special features. The big and small arms and steering can be linked to sound the throttle sound. The linear control system and precise handling performance allow for the accurate execution of complex tasks, improving work quality and efficiency. Equipped with a four-way directional valve, one of which is reserved for hydraulic attachments, such as a log grapple, hydraulic fork, side-down prop bucket, etc. Chunky suspension can better adapt to uneven terrain, improve vehicle driving stability and comfort. Wheel reduction axle housing load bearing, not ordinary half-bearing load. Loader chassis structure. Hydraulic attachment mounting ports. So, that's the introduction of the 13 scale XD580 hydraulic metal loader for today. For more information please contact us. See you in our next unboxing video.